In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create folders and organize workflows in n8n. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a folder and move your workflows into it so everything is easier to find and manage. Start on your n8n dashboard and head to the Workflows list. This is your central hub where all your automations live. At the top of this page, look for two controls sitting side by side: Filter and Folders. Filter helps you narrow down what you see, while Folders is all about organizing the list itself. We'll focus on Folders. Click the Folders button next to the Filter icon. This opens the Folder Management menu. Think of it as your filing cabinet. Here you can view any folders that already exist and create new ones to match how your team works. Choose Create Folder. A small pop-up will appear asking for the folder details. This is where a little planning pays off. You'll be prompted to enter a folder name, and it's worth picking something descriptive and consistent. For example, names like Marketing Automations or Sales Workflows make it obvious what belongs inside. If you manage multiple environments or teams, consider adding short prefixes, such as MKT or Sales, to keep things crystal clear as your list grows. Once you've decided on a meaningful name, click Create. Your new folder will appear in the Workflow List sidebar right away, ready to use. This doesn't change how any workflow runs. It simply makes your workspace more organized and searchable. Now let's tidy up by putting existing workflows into your new folder. This step is optional, but highly recommended. Find a workflow you want to move and click the three-dot menu beside it. Select Move, then choose the folder you just created. Confirm the move, and that workflow will now live neatly inside the folder. Repeat this for any other workflows you want to group. If you manage a lot of items, it can help to move a few at a time and keep related automations together. A quick recap as you work. Open the Folders menu from the Workflows list, create a clearly named folder, and move workflows into it using the three-dot menu, Move, and Confirm. Over time, consistent folder names and thoughtful grouping will make onboarding easier, reduce clutter, and help you and your team find the right automation at a glance. That's it! Your n8n workspace is now cleaner, clearer, and faster to navigate.